Today's our topic is the cathode construction. As cathode construction is vacuum, therefore the most convenient way to heat is electrically. On this basis, the thermal cathodes are divided into two types, which directly heated cathode and indirectly heated cathode. I again said directly heated cathode and indirectly heated cathode. Look the picture. This name is directly heated cathode and this is the indirectly heated cathode, and its equipments and instruments are filament, glass stream, and indirectly cathode terminal, cathode, filament, glass stream, and heated cathode. So first we look the directly heated type cathode construction. In this type, the cathode consists of oxide coated nickel ribbon called the filament. The heating current is directly passed through this ribbon, which the emits of electrons. All electrons are directly passed through the ribbon, which emits the electrons. The structure filament glass stream all over this barrier in this area is glass stream, and this type look like its pointing area, it's like a filament, and it's called, the name is directly heated cathode, and we shows its symbol as simple. This symbol is always all over the cathode, and the directly heated cathode is the more efficient in converting heating power into thermodynamic emission. Therefore, it is generally used in power tubes that need large amount of emission, and in small tubes operated from barriers where efficiency and quick heating are important. Most probably the principle of limitation this type, its filament type glass stream and its barrier and middle point, it's the liberation of this type cathode are that any variation in heater voltage, its heater voltage that's like affects the electron emission, and those produce in the circuit, all over the circuit. So we know the directly heated cathode. Now we show it indirectly heated cathode. Indirectly heated cathode is look like cathode, filament, and heated cathode. Two terminal heated cathode, and middle point is filament, and the surface area, look, this surface area is cathode. In this type, the cathode consists of thin metal, look like that, thin metal shelves coated the barium and strontium oxide. We look it's thin and it's coated barium, coating. We know coating, what is coating we know, and it's coating strontium oxide, and filament is like filament. Filament is heater in enclosed within the sleeve and insulated for it. There is no electrical connection between the heater and the cathode. The heating current is passed through in the heater, and the cathode is heated indirectly through heat transformer for heated element. We look it two terminal heated cathode. The heating current is passed through two terminals. We look this terminal. We look carefully, two terminals. Two terminals is heating current is passed through, and cathode is indirectly through heat transfer from the heater element, and shows the symbol cathode, filament, and heated cathode. The thin filament means thin wire, and it's donated through which the cathode heating current flows. In case directly heated, cathode is itself the filament. If indirectly heated, heater is filament. Indirectly heated cathode has many advantages, as cathode is completely separated from the heating circuit. Therefore, it can be readily connected to any desired potential as needed, independent of the heated potential. Furthermore, because of relatively large mass, cylindrical cathode, it takes time to heat or cool, as such not introduce harm due to heater voltage. Finally, AC can be used in heater circuits to simplify power requirement. Almost all modern receiving tubes use the type of cathode. Actually, it's a thermodynamic emitter. The substance used for electron emission is known as emitter or cathode. The cathode is heated is an advantage and a space to emit electrons. In this cathode are heated to the required temperature, open air, it would burn up to the because of the presence of oxygen of the air. A cathode should have following prospectors. So we look this glass involved filament, and under the filaments and cathode, two terminal filament. Most probably its construction, its locality, the directly heated, indirectly heated. Previously we show it, and its middle terminal filament cathode, and under the two terminal heated cathode, directly heated cathode, indirectly heated cathode, and it's the glass involvement filament. So high mechanical strength, the emitter should have mechanical strength to withstand its bombardness is of the positive ions in any vacuum tube, no matter how careful and evaluation. Today maybe as cathode is the vacuum, and therefore the most convenient way to the heat of electrically. So we know that the directly heated cathode is this type is consists of oxide coated, and the indirectly heated cathode is strontium oxide. I again say that this type directly heated is consist and coated is nickel ribbon. It's all over the coated is nickel ribbon, and it's coated is the strontium oxide. And two types heaters is it's consist the metal self coated with barium, and filament heater is enclosed within the self and insulated from it. There is no electrical connection, and it is always the same the electrical connection. This heating current is directly passed through, and this type is the heating current is passed through the heater and cathode heated indirectly through the transfer heater element. So the barium and strontium oxide, the coated cathode has low work function, and we operates all the comparatively low temperature. Therefore, it is mostly used receiving tubes or their voltage and envelope do not 100 and 1000 volts. Thank you.